If you're experiencing audio desync issues in GTA 5, this guide will help you implement a quick fix to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to the game's audio settings menu. Ensure that the audio output device is correctly set to your preferred speakers or headphones. Adjust the volume levels and make sure that the game is not muted. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer or use the driver update tool to check for and install the latest audio drivers. Keeping your drivers up to date can resolve compatibility issues that may cause audio desync. Step 3. Disable audio enhancements. Right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray and select Sounds. Go to the Playback tab, select your audio device and click Properties. Under the Enhancements tab, check the box for Disable all enhancements and click OK. Step 4. Adjust game launch options. Open the Steam client, right-click on GTA 5 in your library and select Properties. In the General tab, find Launch Options and add the command "raw sound" to disable certain sound features that may be causing desync. Step 5. Verify game files. In the Steam client, right-click on GTA 5 and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, potentially fixing audio issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in GTA 5. Enjoy your gaming experience.